All right, welcome to part 2 of So You Want to Be a Landlord. Our junk cleanout finished up yesterday, so let's go check out, see what's left behind for us. Grant, do you want to walk them through what we got going on so far?
Sure. So our junk guy, Wes with First Steen, came in and tore the place up. So as you can see, if you if you look at the first video, you'll see that all this stuff, there was a glass bifold door there was the old cheap LVP down, that's all gone. Most of the difference you'll see is up in here. So as we kind of walk through, Dad, if you want to pan it around, that's where the kitchen was.
All the trash is here.
So it's actually a nice open space. So as we had kind of spoken about, that's the dining room area right there. So we'll put a pantry, a tower there, another pantry tower there. We shot a video to our plumber. That's a great way to do things with your contractors, to shoot a video, walkthrough, kind of give them a scope of work if you can't meet them on site. But that helps. So obviously,
this fridge is gonna go where?
Right there.
And then cabinets there.
Cabinets right here.
Let's go away.
We might, if we don't do the wall cabinets, then they'll stay. And then throughout here, of course, we'll have LVP through.
The backyard's not in bad shape.
So we'll have LVP through the entire main level. A couple of cabinets right there, carpet on the stairs, and new baseboard.
Yep, so let's go through everything here. So we're going to have doing carpeting on the stairs. Our one contractor just recommended painting everything here black, which should be a nice pop, so we're going to do black fixtures. So it'll be something a little different we're going to do. Now we did end up deciding to go ahead and rip out all the baseboard. So we're going to do nice shaker style baseboard here. We're going to probably do either the 4 or 6 inch baseboard. So it'll be a little extra cost, but it's going to look a lot nicer. And it'll help out with maintenance and everything. So we're going to be doing carpet throughout the main level here. The one thing we're debating right now is, do we install doors ourselves? But this weekend here, Dad, if you want to get a look at this here, we're going to end up taking out all the door frames here this weekend ourselves. So we may have doing a video about that on us doing a little demo ourselves, which will be nice and fun. We'll get a little bit of stress out of the way. So in here, where is
the nice thing so far, usually when you do this, you come up with new issues and new problems arise, but this one really hasn't. The bathroom, you can't really see anything because it's so dark, but I don't know if you got a light there. Bathroom's actually not too bad. It'll clean up. Nice paint.
Luckily in here, the ceiling fan is still in good shape, so we'll end up doing all new carpet in here.
Hunter fan will live.
It'll always survive. Again, rip out the door frame here, put new doors up, carpet in here. Look. Outside,
got the reserved parking, which isn't bad. Nice open space. Yeah. Plenty of parking.
And something that we also told our guy is, hey, while you're here, just swap out all the old crusty, registers.
And then the one thing we gotta make sure we do is clean out the vents and everything, and make sure that everything smells good and ready to go. Especially with the last renters having a dog here.
But
yeah.
The nice thing is that if we do it right and we use the fixtures and everything that we use now, it should last for a good long while, especially kitchen and everything. But down here is a nice, easy, clean slate, nice and simple. Just carpet, repaint, retouch up everything, and then same game plan in the bathroom down here is upstairs, just clean everything up. So nothing too hateful, nothing crazy. Have a little bit of medication here. What is this? Benadryl.
Well, that's all it is. Right.
So
it's not that big a deal.
So we're going to bring in our plumber and have him.
There we go.
Oh, did you break the bulb?
So.
There we go.
I was about to say, add it to the list.
Falling off of there.
We'll have our plumber come.
The mold is gone. So that's good.
And we'll have our plumber George come through. He'll come in, knock out all the check valves and all the shutoffs and make sure that everything's watertight. And then that way, we don't have any maintenance going forward. But that's kind of that's kind of the goal every time that you have a turnover, is make sure that you're taking care of anything that's going to be a maintenance problem in the future.
Now that we're a blank slate, we can see exactly everything going on, and there might be some little issues that will pop up as we go through, but that'll be stuff make sure we take care of. So as Grant just said, it's stuff we don't have to take care of down the road, and hopefully we don't have to do any major renovations, change or anything for another 5, 10, 15 years.
But demo day's done. There's still a little bit more we have to do. So now the fun part of putting everything back together. So follow along, and you'll see as we start putting stuff back together. And if you have any questions about doing this, or if you're thinking about getting into it, just let us know. Again, it's Grant West and Jim Bim with Winning Edge Real Estate, and we'll see you as things move along.
And see you soon.